points that won't exist. So you'll see that as you see me flow through his head. Like you can see right here, it looks like a triangle as far as point rise, but it's not really a sharp point. But as I go up, as I said before, you will see sharp points where it is a 3-point angle and a 3 points as far as a triangle, a full triangle. But as far as doing triangle parts on someone's head, the way to get it to be that way is sometimes not as you would think it would be. It won't be as symmetrical because, as you know, your head is not identical to each side. So you want to make sure that you pre-part. Pre-parting when doing triangle parts will save so much time. Whether it's parting by row or parting by row and individual parting for the plaits or twists that you are doing. So you don't need to be so anal about the brick layer look when it comes to triangle parts because the triangles are different per row. You can see, and I have more. Like on this second row, I believe it is 5, which we're at the bottom row, it is 3. So you just want to make sure that you part it off section by section. I'm trying to get a good angle so you guys can simply see how I part the triangle and how I braid it in. I hope this shows a good detail amount of everything you need to know to get or just to have note of when doing triangle part braids of any sort, because you don't necessarily have to do braids. You could do twist, but have the triangle design as far as parting. So I just want to make sure, and you also want to make sure when you're doing plaits with natural hair, you're going by the density of your client's hair, because to be honest, in certain parts of people's hair in general, it is not full in a lot of parts. It may be thicker in some parts. The density of the person's hair texture is most likely different throughout their hair. So you want to make sure that you have the same size braids or close enough, or at least make sure the parts are matching to the best that you can. And yeah, I hope this all makes sense. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you secure the ends with rubber bands so the braids does not come undone. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, like, follow on all platforms, and peace and hair grease. Bye.